Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy. If today is your first time coming across my channel, I welcome you specially. Guys, today I am gonna show you guys how I made this carrot oil using pure almond oil. If you want to know, please keep on watching. Guys, I'm gonna use 3 carrots to make this carrot oil. I would go ahead and wash them thoroughly. Guys, some people prepare theirs and leave it to sit for like 3 days, okay? But I'm gonna allow my own to sit for 7 days. I'm gonna show you guys the difference, like the one that was left to sit for 3 days and the one for 7 days, so you all are gonna see the difference. Okay, now I'm gonna pat dry the carrots, and after that I'm gonna cut off the bottom and the front of it. Okay, I don't really need those parts. So guys, I'm done cutting off the bottom and the top of it, so I will go ahead and grate them. Carrot oil is very good for our skin. I never knew until I discovered it, and I started making it for my family, for my kids basically, and I'm using it as well. It is really good. So guys, I'm done grating the carrots, so I'm gonna put them outside. If you live in Europe, you know that we hardly see sun basically, so but today I'm so lucky that the sun is really shining, so I brought it outside, you know, for the sun to dry my carrots, my grated carrots. Oh goody, my carrot is so dry. Guys, can you see that? Like, it's so dry. It's so dry, and I'll go ahead now and put it in a container. All right, it's super dry, so I'll put it in a container, then add my oil. Now you can use any oil of your choice. You can use sunflower, you can use olive oil, you can use carrot oil, but I'm using almond oil. Guys, I'm sure you all know the benefits. I'm gonna drop it at the description box or here for you guys to see the benefits of almond oil. So I'm gonna cover the oil, the carrot oil now, and keep it somewhere to sit for 3 days. So guys, today is the 3rd day, and as you can see, I'm holding 2 containers. Now this one you are seeing, I made this one, okay, behind the camera, and I allowed it to sit for 7 days. Now the smaller container, I did that one with you guys, and I allowed it to sit for 3 days. Now you can see the difference, okay? This one you are looking at sat for 7 days, and the other one, this one, sat for 3 days. Now the difference is the other one is darker, and that is how your carrot oil should be. You need to allow it to sit for 7 days in order to get the nutrients. Even look at the carrots, the grated carrots itself is looking so soft, for you to know that it has like released, like unleashed its nutrients into that oil basically. So I would advise that you leave your oil to sit for 7 days. Trust me guys, the smell is so good, like so good. Now it's time to sieve. So I'm sieving to get all my oil, okay? You can see for yourself what I'm doing. So look at the oil, look at the carrot oil in that bowl. It is so good, like the smell is so good. Try this guys, leave it to sit for 7 days. You will like it, like you will like it, and it's really good for the skin. Now I'm gonna transfer the oil into the container. All right, now our carrot oil is ready. As you can see, I'm applying the oil on my skin. Guys, this is good. Just look at how it is. Look at how it is. Like, I'm gonna glow this summer. Like, it's gonna make my skin to glow. All right, this is really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and if it touches your heart, please share my video. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.